Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to lift a Jeep Liberty, full guide. Start by parking on level ground and setting the parking brake, then place wheel chocks and raise one corner with a hydraulic jack to support with rated jack stands. Inspect frame rails and lifting points for rust or damage, then plan your lift height and parts list. I'll walk through tools, common kits, and safety checks in simple steps you can follow confidently. Picking the right lift sets you up for success, so weigh off-road needs and street comfort before buying. Measure how many inches of lift you want, check tire diameter limits, and choose compatible shocks and control arms. Spacer lifts are cheaper but may affect ride quality, while full kits improve articulation and handling. I'll compare common kits and explain what to expect during installation and the follow-up alignment process. We'll walk through a step-by-step installation that keeps safety first and confusion low. Lift one corner, remove the wheel, and unbolt components in a logical order while labeling parts and photographing setups for reference. Fit new springs or spacers, swap shocks, and torque hardware to spec, then lower and repeat for other corners. After all corners are complete, check brake lines, sway bars, and drive-align angles before the alignment and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.